Every day, transportation professionals manage countless documents and records. Driver files, vehicle information, maintenance records, insurance certificates, registrations, and compliance-related paperwork. When information is spread from here to there, finding what you need can be frustrating and time-consuming. That's where LogisitiQore comes in. LogisitiQore provides one centralized location to organize and manage your important transportation records, including driver information, vehicle records, maintenance history, registrations, insurance documentation, and other critical information. And when it's time for an audit, inspection, or document review, having your records organized and accessible can help simplify the preparation process. LogisitiQore is designed to help transportation professionals improve organization, maintain important records, monitor critical deadlines, and support compliance management efforts. Start organizing your transportation records today. Start your free 14-day trial and experience a smarter way to manage transportation records. LogisitiQore.